I must say, in 16, you got a big break. I mean, at this age, people go and have fun around, with their friends, or they plan something, what they need to do in future. How this comes to your way?
I believe I have fun doing what I'm doing. I believe I have the most joy when I'm taking care of my...
So what was your weight that time that makes you actually stopped you and now you converted into that? That's actually a great inspiration, I must say.
I believe I was nearing 100 kgs.
Okay, what age that was? A favorite Telugu star you have?
A favorite Telugu star would definitely have to be either Rashmika or Samantha. Both of them are...
Welcome to my show Trendsetters. Well, at 16, she created a history, Miss Teen India. Well, she's from Hyderabad and let's find out how she's celebrating a big blast success of her life. Vibhasha, I must say, in 16, you got a big break. I mean, at this age, people go and have fun around, with their friends, or they plan something, what they need to do in future. How this comes to your way?
I believe I have fun doing what I'm doing. I believe I have the most joy when I'm taking care of myself, becoming a better version of myself and grooming myself. I believe that's fun to me. Evolving, making my family, friends and my country proud is what is fun to me.
When it comes to, participation, you need a lot of delegation. When it comes to, getting into these competitions. So when that was the first click comes to your mind, you wanted to be in that stage. Like you were 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. From a childhood, you wanted to be, you were fascinated by this modeling career?
I believe growing up, I was always fascinated by the pageantry and modeling career. Plus, I always had the support of my family and friends. I grew up as an obese child, so I decided...
Don't tell me!
Yeah.
Wow,
So,
okay.
Growing up as an obese child, I decided if I wish to do it, I will do it. And I did do it. And I believe if you put your mind to something, you can do it as well.
So what was your weight that time that makes you actually stopped you and now you converted into that? That's actually a great inspiration, I must say.
I believe I was nearing 100 kgs.
Okay, what age that was?
Very young.
Huh?
Very young.
I mean, around like 10.
My tweens. My
Okay,
tween years.
okay, okay.
I was approaching 100 kgs. I believe nothing stopped me then as well.
Okay.
I was confident at that weight and I'm still confident at this weight as well.
No, you are looking really pretty, a great achievement. People say that when you have a wish to do something in your life, you did that. So what was your struggle to come back, and when this pageant you got selected to be a part of it, what was the main struggle mentally, physically you were going through?
I believe the main struggle that hit me in this pageant was a little bit of uncertainty.
Okay.
I always felt that need of making sure if it was good enough, if
Okay.
it was perfect enough, because I'm growing up a perfectionist.
Okay.
So I always make sure each and every step of mine is perfect. So that was always there. Is this perfect enough? Is this good enough? I believe I overcame that by letting it go, by being myself, because authenticity is magnetic.
So what's your plan here? I must say, you have actually on the first stage, now the stage will grow upper only. So what's the next plan?
The next step is universe.
Oh wow.
I'll be present at Miss Teen Charm International in 2025 and hoping to put my best effort and foot forward to win the crown for India.
And how is your education and this work will balanced both the ways? How are you going to do that?
I'm an IBDP2 student at Gaudium International School. I believe time management is key, so I divide my studies and my education and my modeling and pageant career together, making schedules and timetables, and I stick to them.
So what's the best compliment you have ever got it, like from your life, or most of the youngsters, and not youngsters, we all are fascinated by social media. So how much you get spend time, and how you deal with the up and downs of social media?
I believe social media is a platform for growth, and some people use it in a negative way, and those people who are using it in a negative way are just showing their insecurities on you.
Wow.
Don't let it affect you. Be strong. They don't matter. You matter. Focus on yourself and you'll be just fine.
I just wanted, Vibhasha, one moment of your life when you were being discouraged. You felt like, okay, you can't do it, but you made it. You made it a mark and given a big slap on the face. Everything is possible in this world when you work from your mind. Or when you actually decided, go to hell, I'll do it?
Like I mentioned, growing up I was an obese child. Faced a good amount of bullying in my own days. I believe now that I'm standing tall here, confident then
Yes,
and confident
yes.
now, I'm proud to say that it didn't stop me then and it didn't stop me now, and I've done it.
And who's your role model whom you want to meet and you have a fan moment of your life you would love to meet?
I believe my first role model starts with my family.
Okay. So, but any like Bollywood or role model from Tollywood or something, fascination is always there at this stage, right?
I believe I do get my fascination from my mentors, Alessia and Anjali Roth, who I've met once in Mumbai, gotten trained from them. But
Okay.
they've had such a strong impact on me, I wish to meet them again very soon, in fact.
Would you like to go for movies or cinema after this? When they see such a beautiful face is there, are you going to balance that profession also in your life?
Surely, opportunities are for learning and growing. Each opportunity life throws at me to learn and gain knowledge, I'll do it because that gives me confidence.
So, what are your plans? Like, okay, professionally, you are planning for this platform for a modeling, as compared to like other option is there, like engineer, doctor. Is that something you're preparing? Other side of your
I'm an IBDP2 student, that's an IB diploma program at Gaudium School. My majors are economics, English, math, business, and environmental sciences.
So you want to be a
that's my
professional,
background.
something you want to become like, you have any
I
dream?
want to be an economist with a dual degree in business.
So as youngsters, now age is not a bar. At any age, people are creating a big mark, in the society. So what's the message you would like to give all the youngsters there who want to achieve their dreams?
Nothing can stop you if you wish to achieve it. You can and you will do it. Put your heart and soul, work hard is the only way and you will do it.
And what 3 things you follow in your life? That's a secret of your life.
Everyday life?
Yeah, 3 things you keep doing to motivate yourself.
Drink water, note things down, and be happy with your family and yourself.
This thing, 3 things you do, keep doing it.
Yeah.
And what you don't do, so you want to avoid in your life.
I believe a lot of youngsters indulge in the wrong kinds of things for their age. I don't indulge in those because I believe I don't want to hurt my body. I believe my body is a gift from God. I believe I worship it like a temple.
So I just want one line, if you can say, a actor, if he wants to compliment you, and that would be a fan moment from Tollywood. Anybody you loved, like their work, or if he comes and meet you or something. A favorite Telugu star you have?
A favorite Telugu star would definitely have to be either Rashmika or Samantha. Both of them are stunning beauties. And
An
if I-
actor in male? Male? No?
all the actors in the Tollywood industry, male actors, are doing a splendid job. I believe pinpointing wouldn't do them justice. I believe all the actors in the South Indian industry are amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vasha. It was wonderful talking to you. I think your guests are there, so I'll leave you today. And then later part, we can catch you more to know more the secrets of your life. So that was a wonderful conversation with her. For more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.